I never knew that they had... I thought those were the ones that made the weird noises.
I know, I didn't know it was a crow.
Oh, he's gonna move?
Watch out where you're stepping.
I had no idea they had black feathers on the bottom. Never did I ever. Look at him like waddling around. I want to get a piece of his dragon. There's another one down there drying. Oh, I see. Hang on, don't walk in front of me. Whoa, buddy. Those are the ones that can swim.
Yeah, yep. They dive and they can swim. Looks like a platypus mixed with a beaver.
Yeah, the way he's sitting sure does.